FreeCAD developers and contributors are in the final stages of preparing FreeCAD version 1.1 for release. And there are some dates for your diaries. Early September, September the 1st, we'll see a finalized list of improvements and changes that will be included as PRs, known as pull requests. This allows 2 weeks of revision and the necessary administrative work to get the changes into the release. If you want to start contributing code, the developers are active on the FreeCAD forum and there are dedicated rooms where you can get involved. And I'll leave the address here. By mid-September, September the 15th, no new features will be added to the FreeCAD code. The focus will shift to testing and fixing any issues found. A list of 1.1 features and updates can be found on the wiki at this address. Towards the end of September, September the 30th, the user interface, the look, the wording, the translations will be finalized, giving documenters and translators time to complete their work. If you want to help with translating FreeCAD, information can be found here with an overview of the language covered. In my experience, software development schedules rarely go exactly to plan. It's a complex process that relies on many people, especially in the open source world, where contributors are doing this out of passion rather than for the money and have their own commitments. We can all see the light at the end of the tunnel and I expect the whole community are excited for the new release. Thanks to developers, contributors and the community who have dedicated their time and passion to keep this project going. If you want to see some features, I have a few videos on my channel and I'll put the links here. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.